fucking ducking, hide behind couches. Don't even fucking try to come stop us. We're a gang of savage monsters. Every fucking time they go mock us, and every fucking night they enhance us. We're coming together, nothing can be better. No matter the weather, we're coming to get you.
Think that I'm a freak when I'm talking to myself, but it's like I was too weak to be someone else.